Hello guys, welcome to the month of July. Thank God for second half of the year. Congratulations to everyone that has crossed the second half of 2021 regardless of COVID and insecurity to lives and properties. I pray that this month will be a month of jubilation, a month of supernatural breakthrough. And may the good Lord give us victory in this new month of July. May the blessings of the Lord be with us and our families. May He order our steps and bless our endeavors. The Lord shall go with us in all our journeys. We will experience rest on every side. Hallelujah. The pains, the challenges and troubles around us will the Lord turn into dancing. We will be remembered for a blessing. May our voices be honored in heaven and answers to our prayers released. Only be rest assured, guys, to please God in all we do. Keep faith. Our God will never fail or disappoint us. The glory of the Lord shall be in our lives. The benediction of peace will be ours always. Happy New Month once again. It is well with us, our families, our friends, the Kamsi Space family. Happy New Month, and I say we love you from the bottom of our heart. We love you. We say thank you for all your support, for sharing our videos. We love you. You see?